Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You might have seen some keys which start from F in your keyboard. So these are from F1 till F12. So you might have wondered what are the actual uses of these keys. So I'm going to explain the usage of these from F1 till F12. So I request you guys to watch this video till end, and if you find this video useful, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Our first function key is F1. So if you open any software and press F1 function key, it will open a help dialog box and it will let you know more about that software. Our next function key is F2, which is rename, and if you click on any folder and press F2 function key, so it will allow you to rename that particular folder. Our next function key is F3. So if you have opened a folder and press F3, it will take your cursor to the search bar and it will allow you to search in that folder. Our next function key is F4. So you have to press Alt along with F4 to close a window. So if you have opened any folder or a web page and you press Alt plus F4, it will close that window. Next key is F5. F5 function key will allow you to refresh the page, or you can run a slideshow on a PowerPoint document. Next function key is F6. When you have opened a browser and you press F6, it will take your cursor to the address bar. You can either copy or edit that address, or you can change that address in the address bar. Our next key is F7. So if you want to run a quick spell check or a grammatical check in a document, so you can press F7 and it will help you to do a quick spell check. Next is F8. So if you want to open the boot menu of your system, you can press F8 and it will open the boot menu. Next is F9. So we don't have many uses of F9. So if you are working on Microsoft Excel and you have selected a item and you want to remove it, so you can press F9 after selecting a item. So next is F10. So if you are working on any software of Microsoft Office and you press F10, it will activate the menu bar of that software. Next is F11. So if you are working on any screen, so whether it's a browser or any software, so if you press F11, you can activate the full screen mode, and it is a toggle button. You can again press F11 to exit the full screen mode. Next is F12. So if you want to save a particular document to a different location with a different name, so you can press F12 and it will open the save as window, and you can change the name and the location and then save it. I hope you guys find this video useful, and if you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.